Welcome back to Refined. I'm Gard Swanson. If you're in spring cleaning mode right now, don't forget about what's under your house. The pipes could be the gateway to some serious problems down the road if you don't take care of them right now. That's why many people call on our sponsor, Bob Oates Sewer and Rooter, for a little help. When Bob Oates Sewer and Rooter rolls up to your home, you know you're in good hands. Their experience with plumbing is exceptional. Whether it's unplugging a toilet, repairing a sink drain, changing out a water heater, or even bigger jobs like relining a sewer pipe, Bob Oates does it all and more, especially this time of year. Well, John, you know, the weather's starting to turn a little bit. That means it's the perfect time to get outside and do some spring cleaning.
Yeah, Gard, especially with your plumbing, your downspouts. If you look at this long run,
Yeah.
during the winter, all the pine needles and cones and stuff will get in there. It's a good idea to get up there, flush it out. In Seattle, it's pretty common for there to be combination systems, meaning the downspouts go into your sewer line.
Yeah.
So any excess rain, you know, all the debris goes in there, and then the excess rain will make your sewer line back up.
And that can be a huge problem.
That can be a big deal.
John Peterson is the general manager at Bob Oates Sewer and Rooter. He says sometimes a clogged sewer starts with your dirty gutters.
The easiest thing to do is grab a normal garden hose, have a little tip similar to this, and just get up there and just spray the debris out. Get the debris moving and flowing. Much like a garbage disposal, you always want to have water with it because the water will help flush it all the way out of the system.
But the root to most sewer problems?
The number one cause for a backup is roots in a sewer line. So the roots will follow condensation, they find their way into the sewer line, and then all this debris, as it comes down, it'll get caught up. After a while, it'll back up and it could cause a lot of damage in your house.
Sewer backups are nasty, ruining carpets, flooring, and drywall. If you do have an issue, Bob Oates has an answer.
And we put it down in the line and we can see everything that's inside your sewer. So if there's roots growing in there, if there's cracks in the side, if there's broken pieces, because a lot of times when the roots grow in, if they come in through a crack, obviously they're gonna, as they grow, they're cracking the pipe even worse. So we can get in there with a sewer camera and do a whole inspection of your line.
My house is 85 years old. So is the sewer line. Bob Oates went exploring. Oh man, Jonathan, so what are you finding out?
You know, I'm just seeing the line looks to be okay, it's just really dirty. What I'm gonna suggest to you is we do a little bit of scour jetting, which is, if you could think of a big pressure washer for the inside of your drain pipes, that's exactly what we're gonna be dealing with.
That is disgusting and filthy.
And we'll be able to get right through it.
So overall, my sewer line looks pretty good.
Yes, yes. As you can see, there's a little bit of debris there, but with the jetting, we can get all of that out. That won't be an issue at all.
I have to admit, it is kind of gross looking at that.
It is, but you know what? Once you see the outcome, once it's all clean, you will be thoroughly surprised.
That's good news. Bob Oates Sewer and Rooter, making sure the plumbing in my house and yours is always in solid working order.
It's a really good feeling. We pride ourselves on people helping people, so it feels good to be able to help them out so they don't have a bigger issue.
For a complimentary sewer camera inspection, just call Bob Oates Sewer and Rooter. The number is right there on your screen, 206-789-4944. Again, you can get a free sewer camera inspection.